From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, my name is Landon. I'm from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, here to bring you your Wednesday afternoon forecast. As we take a look at Beaver Stadium right now, temperature's sitting at about 75 degrees or so, with a dew point sitting at about 64. Light winds from the west at about 3 miles per hour, setting up for a beautiful afternoon here in State College, Pennsylvania. As we take a look into the almanac for the rest of the day, temperatures will continue to get higher, with a high at about 79, 80-ish or so, and low as we head into the evening at about 54 degrees or so. As we take a look at temperatures and dew points throughout the rest of the region, more of the central region of the state is experiencing cooler temperatures. That's why we experienced that fog this morning. As we look into the northwest region of the state, in the Erie area, they've already had the warmer temperatures to start off with their day. They're just going to keep getting warmer throughout the rest of the day. Wind speed's starting to pick up into the central region, but still calm at a relatively rate. Up in the Erie area, though, due to that lake effect, wind speeds are more than usual. As we take a look into our radar and satellite view, mostly dry throughout the Wednesday. And as we look and take a look down to the St. Louis and Missouri area, that's the cold front and rain that we will experience here in a few short days. Wednesday heading into Thursday, we've got some cloud cover coming through, nothing too major. As we roll into Thursday night though and Friday, rain will start to pick up more, starting more into the northwest region, but the central and the eastern part will also experience some more as we head into Saturday morning as well as Saturday afternoon. As we take a look at the whole East Coast, states like New York, New Hampshire, Maine will all be experiencing the same, possibly even more precipitation. And as we look into Sunday, this rain accumulation will start to stick around, same as Monday. Tuesday we'll probably start to see some clearer conditions. As we look at the accumulation amounts for Friday, Williamsport State College and Harrisburg region staying pretty light, although for the Erie region, already at about ½ an inch for Friday afternoon. As we head into Saturday afternoon, starts to pick up a little bit. In total, we'll probably experience about 1/4 to ½ an inch, unlike the Erie and Northwest region, which will have about 1.5 inches or so. Looking at our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, the eastern part of the United States will stay cooler because of the cold front that moves through, unlike the Midwest region of the United States, which will experience more drier and warmer conditions, which is definitely not pleasant right now. Looking at our forecast for today, highs at about 81 or so, giving us that summer vibe right now. I'm feeling like I'm in the second week of school right now, even though it's like the 8th. Winds from the south at about 4 to 7 miles per hour. Going to get calmer throughout the evening with a low of 53. Clear and cool conditions to maintain throughout the rest of the evening. For tomorrow, we've got highs at about 74. Morning will start off pretty light, pretty warm outside, and some clouds will roll into the Commonwealth as we go throughout our classes on the day. Winds from about 7 to 10 miles per hour from the southeast will start to pick up more than we've seen today. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, as I just said, Wednesday and Thursday will be pretty dry for the most part, with a high of 81 for today and a high of 74 for Thursday. PM showers will start to roll in on Friday with a high of 70. As we go into Saturday though, our high will be experienced in the early portion of the day with a high of about 62, and temperatures will continue to cool throughout the rest of the day, possibly even getting into the 50s and 40s, depending on the rainstorm. Same to go for Sunday, and of course Monday. Cooler and rainy conditions will stick throughout the whole weekend portion until we get to Tuesday, which will clear up for the most part, and hopefully for the rest of the week next week. My name is Landon Almaris from the Penn State Campus Weather Service with your Wednesday afternoon forecast. Have a good afternoon.